Good evening, Mr. Abhineet.
Good evening.
Is this your first mock or second mock with me?
Second mock, sir.
Acha, your interview date is what and in which place?
Bangalore, sir.
Bangalore. Can you please tell me what is your degree?
Sir, I have completed my post-graduation degree in MSc Agricultural Extension, sir, from
Oh,
University of Agricultural Science, GKVK, Bangalore.
acha. Did you get a lot of questions I have posted in the group? Were you there? When did you join our group?
I joined on 2nd October.
Acha. Have you been following the postings I am making in our group?
Yes, sir.
I have posted a lot of things about agriculture. Did you see
Yes,
them?
yes, sir. I visited it, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me what do you know about Kisan Credit Card?
So, Kisan Credit Card is a scheme introduced by Government of India in the year 1998, which interests on farmers to provide the short-term loan and also investment requirements of the farmers, uh, and also to maintain the consumption requirement of the farmers through issue of rupee based, and also issues the rupee based debit card also.
No, but you are not given me any point from that question. I wanted to know about Kisan Credit Card and you have not told me any point.
So Kisan Credit Card basically gives the loan facility to the farmers, wherein the collateral loan which is given to the farmers up to the limit of 1.6 lakh rupees, and the interest subvention scheme of 2% is given up to the loan of 3 lakh rupees, and for the prompt repayment an additional 1% of interest is given as an interest subvention, making the effective interest rate at 4%, sir.
Why did you not tell this earlier?
So I
If
thought
only you if only you had stopped with that, I will give you 3 marks out of 10 for this question and fail you.
I thought
You must
only.
know what are the words you should cover, what are the words you should tell, and proceed accordingly. You are
Okay,
an
sir.
agriculture candidate. Please tell me what do you mean by agriculture extension and banking and agriculture, in what way they are interrelated?
So agricultural extension basically means the process of transferring the technology from lab to the land through usage of various medias and medium of transportation of information. And agriculture and bank are very much interlinked, so they are not antithetical to each other. For agriculture to prosper, there is the requirement right from the production till the marketing of the produce, which necessitates the finance to be lent throughout the production and the supply chain of goods and goods produced through agriculture.
Good. That is right. Now, what is the position of Indian agriculture?
So, Indian agriculture basically contributes 17.7% to the GVA of the country, with growth rate of 3.4%. The average land holding of farmers has declined over the period of time, and the present land holding, according to agricultural census conducted in 2015, it is 1.08 hectares, and 40% of the rural population depends on agriculture.
40%? You can say 50%.
Yes, sir.
Nearly 50%.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Now, you are living in which part of Karnataka?
I'm living in Bangalore, sir.
Which is your native place?
My native is Chitradurga, sir.
What is famous in Chitradurga as far as cropping is concerned?
Sir, basically, I live in Hiriyur Taluk, which is a rain-fed area. So the primary crops which are grown are groundnut, sunflower, and onions, sir.
Acha, which is more profitable for farmers?
So basically, the groundnut is more profitable because onion has the price volatility problem, given the fact that there are bumper harvests most of the time. So
Mhm.
on Comparatively,
Please,
groundnut and sunflower are profitable.
please tell me, what do you know about our Federal Bank? What was the total deposit of Federal Bank as on 30th June?
Sir, Federal Bank is one of the leading private sector bank in the country. So the total deposit of Federal Bank was 2,76,000 crores.
As on which date?
The first quarter of 2025.
It is not 66. I think it must be. It is not 76. It must be
66.
66. Yeah, you
Yes,
told wrongly. Yeah, doesn't matter. What do you understand by NFC? What do you
NFC.
understand? NFC. They have asked today this question. What is NFC?
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. I'm not aware of.
NFC is seems near field communication.
Okay.
Please
Near
get
field
to know.
communication.
Yeah, please
Well,
get to
sir.
know more about that. You know about it?
Yes, sir. So
Tell
near
me.
field communication is a protocol which ensures that the two entities or the two software shares the information at the closest distance possible.
Mm. It seems payment of up to rupees 500 without I mean contact, without
Yes,
contact.
sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes.
Which bank
Wireless.
you are having account? Which bank you are having account?
I'm having account in Canara Banks.
Acha, Canara Bank has sponsored which two RRBs?
Sir, it has sponsored Karnataka Gramin Bank and Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank of Karnataka.
Acha, good. So of these two, which one is doing very well?
Karnataka Gramin Bank is doing well, sir.
Good. Now, can you tell me what is the recent, um, say, monetary policy committee decisions? When was the recent meeting held?
Sir, recent meeting was held, I think it was in last month, sir. I'm not sure, sir. But the major
October 8th,
decision was,
October 7th, and 8th, and 9th. That is why I'm asking. You are not up to date in current affairs. You are not reading newspapers. You are not enriching yourself with knowledge. What is required in newspapers, you must know.
yes, sir,
Who is your finance minister, state finance minister?
Shri Siddaramaiah is the finance minister.
Who is your agriculture minister?
Shri Chalurai Swami, sir.
Who is the agriculture minister in the central government?
Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
Who is the MSME minister in the central government?
Shri Jitan Ram Singh, sir.
Very good. What can you tell me what is meant by UPI?
UPI is the full form of UPI is Unified Payment Interface, which is a protocol which enshrines the transfer of money through the mobile phone without the requirement of the bank branches for the process, with the automatic transfer of money through the mobile phones.
Yeah, that is good. Now, regarding monetary policy, you have to tell that there has been no change in the
Policy.
repo rate, reverse, say bank rate and other rates. They are being maintained at the same level,
Yes, sir.
6.5, 6.75, 6.25, like that. So that
Yes,
point you have to tell. And now what has happened to the retail inflation? How is retail inflation in the month of
sir.
September? What is the newspaper reports?
Retail inflation is very much under the limit of 6%. Sorry, 5.66%, sir. 5.
Now it is 5.5.
Yes, sir, 5.5%. So it is under the limit of RBI's guidelines, sir.
But what is the trend it is following? Has it been coming down or going up?
It is coming down, sir.
No, it has been going up in the recent past. August, it was less 5.05 or so. Now it has increased to 5.5. It is increasing. So most probably by September, December, when they again meet, If the trend is not coming down, then they will try to increase the repo rate also.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, doesn't matter. Now, why should I select what is your name? Abhineet.
Sir, because of the virtues that I carry throughout the period of my life, I carry all the possible ethical virtues and also my computational and analytical skills, which I've enshrined in my degree courses, both undergraduation and post graduation, and my awareness with regard to the rural area and agriculture primarily. So, which helps me to disperse the loan and bring in the financial inclusivity through the banking sector.
Good. Now, in the case of agricultural loans,
Yes, sir.
when will a loan be considered as NPA?
The loan is considered as NPA when there is a default by the borrower extending the period more 90 days or more, sir.
That is for other than agriculture. For agriculture, for two short-term period after the due date, if the loan remains unpaid for 1 year, it will be considered as NPA. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
So please get to know about that by going through Google and our other books. For you,
Yes,
because you are agriculture candidate, definition is after the due, once the installment becomes due and it is pending for more than two crop periods, that is two short-term crop periods, that is 12 months, it will be considered as NPA. In the case of long-term advances like sugarcane, when it is outstanding from the due date for one more year, it will be considered as NPA. Do you
yes, sir.
follow what I said?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Now, did you read today's newspaper?
Yes, sir. I read, sir.
Where was the SCO meeting held?
It was held in Pakistan, sir. Yesterday it was concluded.
Acha. From our country, which minister attended?
Honorable Minister for External Affairs, Mr. Jai Shankar.
Very good. In which company the strike was withdrawn after 38 days? Recently in South India. Which state the company is situated?
I'm not aware of this.
Samsung employees in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu, Sri Perumbudur. The strike was there for 36 days or so. It has been withdrawn.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Um, yeah. Who has taken over charge as Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir?
Sir, Sri Omar Abdullah is the new Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir.
Yeah, very good. Um, what is the recent news about MSP wheat?
Sir, MSP has been increased for wheat by 6.6% to 2,425 rupees per quintal, sir.
Excellent. Good. What are the other crops for which they have increased the MSP recently?
Sir, highest increase was found to be for mustard, sir, at the by increase of 300 rupees per quintal. So the MSP for mustard is 5,950 rupees, sir.
No, no. The answer is barley, gram, lentil, rapeseed, and mustard. Then safflower. What is
Yes, sir.
safflower?
Safflower is another type of oilseed crop, sir, which is grown in the Rabi season.
Okay. All these things, the price has been, MSP has been increased. Do you
Yes.
think increasing MSP is good for economy?
As an economy as a whole, it is not good, sir. But given the condition of agriculture, I think for agriculture as a sector, it is good. But as an economy as a whole, it is not good, sir.
Who is the Chief Minister of Delhi?
Sir, her name is Mrs. Ashish. Forgot, sir.
Chief Minister Atishi.
Atish. Sir, Atish.
Atishi. Who was the previous Chief Minister of Delhi?
Shri Arvind Kejriwal.
Yeah, good. That is right. Why was he arrested?
For alleged scam that he was involved in, sir.
Okay. Now, who is Nitish Kumar?
He is the Chief Minister of Bihar, sir.
Very good. Then, can you tell me any other current affair news you are remembering?
Sir, recently Indian Agriculture Research Institute introduced a paddy variety called as Pusa 45, which enables the farmers to increase the yield of paddy and at the same time tackles the problem of stubble burning, sir.
Good. Now, anything else?
One more recent today's news was the drug. So the drug trial. Sorry, sir. So the drug regulation committee enforced to recommended to introduce antibiotics under the new drug definition under the rules of new drug and clinical trial rules 2019 in order to make sure that the drugs are the antibiotic drugs are regulated and the prescription is made mandatory for recommending antibiotics to
Who
the
has taken
patient.
over charge as Haryana Chief Minister?
Sir, Mr. Nayab Singh Saini.
Who is the Haryana Governor?
Sir,
Bandaru Dattatreya.
yes, sir.
Bandaru
Bandaru
Dattatreya. He has also taken charge today only, 17th.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. You have
Thank
been answering majority of questions nicely. Your performance is good. Go with this positive hope. Read more about agriculture. Read
yes,
current newspapers 16, 17, 18. And
yes,
your
sir.
interview is tomorrow, na?
Day after tomorrow. Sir.
Please attend and send the questions they are asking you. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.